So as we are done with our change images of a particular profile, so let us just now go to our like admin logins and all that things. So what I can do here, first of all, let us just log out and let me just sign up with some new credentials so that I can just say that like I want to have the admin login at that particular time. So I can say that I want to have a admin, or you can say username my admin, and email should be admin@gmail.com, and password should be somewhat like TCM123. I am using the uppercase one. Whatever you want to choose, I just want to sign up here. I just signed up, and I can say that the admin@gmail.com. Okay, TCM123. I just want to log in. I am logged in. So my whole process is going very well. But the thing is, I just want to have right now, if I just go to my MongoDB, like if my MongoDB is here, so I just want to refresh it. Let us just refresh it, and I just want to change the role here. I just want to change the role of a dat admin. Okay, so if I will change the role, I will just show you what I'm going to do here. Okay. So right now, this is the thing, like admin and my admin@gmail.com. If I just click on here and role, I just want to change the role to admin, not in this, in the lowercase. I just want to change the role to the admin, and I want to update it. And okay, my document has been updated, and this email has the role of an admin. That is the important part. That is the important thing which I was wanted to show you. And right now, as you can see, I am having admin login. If I just copy this path, and I just want to go here, and not on this one, basically /admin login, then you can see I'm having something like this here. Okay, I'm having something like this here. So now let us just deep dive into this thing, that how we can just log in through this. It means that we have to create one login again. Yeah, one login for the admin, one login for the admin. Yeah, that's true. So right now, what I can say, just open the admin login, and as you can see, I have already set a lot of things. I just want to just set the things. So let us just also open the login page. I'm also having here, so that I cannot be able to, so that I can't write the same things again and again. So that is why I have just opened these things again. And let us just go to our server. Let us just close down these things, server. And in the server, I just want to go to the routes first, user.js. I'm having the routes for the user.js. But right now, I just want to create one more route for admin.js. That is the important part. And let us just do one thing. I need to have all these things again here, admin.js. Okay. And at the end, I am having module.exports. I need to copy this thing again, and I need to paste this thing again too. That's totally fine. And in the app.js, what I want to have, I just want to have the admin APIs here, so that I can actually access these APIs and routes. And afterwards, I can say route/admin. Yeah, that's the important part. And afterwards, I can say that app.use, copy, paste it here, and I can say admin API, and that's it. Okay, so now these things are ready to go. Okay, and afterwards, what I can say, in the controller, I also want to create admin controller.js. Okay, I just want to rename this thing controller.js. And let me just open user controller too, because a lot of things would be same. Let us just copy these things right now. I know that all the things will not be needed. Basically, in the admin controller, right now, I just want to have I just want to log in the admin. Okay, I can say exports.admin login is equals to, you can say async and request response always, and that's it. That's it. And that's the API, that's the controller which I want to use. Just go to the user controller and let me see what is the login user what is login user actually doing? So I just want to have a try and catch block here. And if I am having some error, first of all, let us just have it somewhere like this. Copy it and just paste these things here. Save it, user controller and admin controller to save it, please. So right now what I can do here, let me just check what are the things going on, because we are just going to check and let me discuss these things further. First of all, I'm going to have the email and password, as you can see, email and the password basically. And afterwards I can say this, if not the email, if not the password, okay, all fields are required, everything is going fine. Does the username or email exist? Yes, we need to check. And check pass, that's important. With bcrypt.compare, so we need to check that my credentials are true or not. If my credentials are true now, then I need to just create one JWT token, and I need to send this JWT token somewhere like this, and same things would be there. And let's just call this API right now. Let's just call this API. So how I can just call this? I can say that the router dot post /admin login, okay, /admin login. And what are the things actually which I want to call here? So right now I don't want to have the user controller, I want to have the admin controller here. So CONTRO controller, and let me just change the things here too. I want to have the admin controller, so I can say copy it and paste it somewhat like here, admin controller dot. Now the thing is, I want to go for the admin login, and before that particular thing, before going to the anywhere or wherever you want to, okay, admin controller and admin login, that's fine, that's totally fine. Let me just it's not post builds, basically it's just a post. Okay, let me just check everything is working fine in the terminal. Yeah, I think so. So my backend is okay, server started and my database has been connected. So I have just call this API in the front end or not. Yeah, admin API is there, so app.js is working fine. And let us just now go to admin login.jsx, and I can say where is my form actually? Here I can say on submit handle admin login, or whatever you want to have the name of this function basically you can have, but I just want to go for this name, is equal to, I can say async, and afterwards this thing, it's actually a syntax error. And for this particular thing, actually I need to have Axios from Axios, and that's it. Go to app.jsx because I need to have the use selector to just copy my backend link, and I just want to have somewhat like you can say I need to paste it somewhat here, and I can say that a use selector is actually needed for this particular thing. Use selector, okay, use selector from React Redux, it's here right now. Everything is fine. Right now I just need to send the data. To handle admin login. Okay, so for this particular thing, what I can do, I can say that the client catch block, and let me just wait for it. Yeah, it's here. So I can say const response is equals to await Axios dot post, and the API is basically like dollar backend length, okay, backend link /API /v1 / what I can say here, what was the name of my API, admin login, copy it and paste it somewhere like here. With these things I want to send, what I want to send is actually these inputs. I just want to have these inputs here. Let me just check in the admin controller. Yeah, email and password I am getting from this type. Okay, inputs I want to have that the credentials should be true. That is the important part for the transferring the data from front end to back end and back end to front end. With credentials should be true. There it is. Yeah, here it is. And after the successful login, console.log, I just want to have a response I just want to see the response. What is the response actually? Afterwards, we will just go to the we will just show that with the help of Toast. I am just seeking out my this thing because I'm not able to remember the logins which I was having previously. I can say here I want to go. Oh, what I did, admin@gmail.com. I just want to see that admin@gmail.com, and I can say TCM123. I think so. That was the password. So if I just logged in and inspect it, let us just check what is the console. What is console saying to us? So console is saying nothing to us. How does this can happen? Okay, we just need to have e.prevent default here. Okay, I just e.prevent default. Okay, it's right now fine. So what I can do, where I can go here, email, I can set it admin@gmail.com, and I can say TCM123. Let us just log in and let us check. Okay, why it is just refreshing all the things. Okay. I have not provided E here. Okay, that's the mistake which I did. And let me just go to here once again, admin@gmail.com, and I can say TCM123 and just log in. And I can say I'm having the data, which is actually message login successfully, and let us check the application, and we are having this BLOGS app TCI. Okay, I'm having this. So what I can say, just go to my application. I just want to clear each and everything, and I can say that my response.data.message. My response word is my response.data.message. Okay, that's it. And if I am going to have some error, then what I can show, I just need to see. Okay, instead of this console.log, I just want to have toast.success. Okay, and one more important thing, I just need to import the toast from where? React Toastify. And one more important thing which we need to have is our use navigate, because after successful login, I just want a user to navigate somewhere. Okay, so I can say const history is equal to use navigate, which we are importing from the React router DOM. Basically history, just copy it, and I just want to go here, and I can say that history slash where I would just want to go to app.jsx, and you can see here I just want to go where? I just want to go /admin dashboard, copy it and paste it here. And after the successful login, let us just have it somewhat like here. After the successful login, I just want to go to admin dashboard, and I can say console.log error if there is any error. Okay, let us just save it, and first of all, let us have some error. Okay, let us have some error to check. TCM123, I'm just using with some error. If I just want to log in, and you can see I'm having the error here. If I just go here, you can say response.data.error. Okay, so I can say error.response.data.error, and I just want to show this error somewhat like Control V, toast.error, and that's it. And I can say here, let us just again log in. Yeah, invalid credentials. I just need to show this thing to you. As you can see, invalid credentials. If I just say TCM123, and with the I mean to say that with the right password, if I just logged in, and you can say login successfully, and right now I am on the admin dashboard page. So that's all about the admin dashboard. And right now, let us just firstly work on AdBlog, because that is the important thing. Okay, let us just create an API right now, just to handle the things like I just want to have what I want to have. Add blocks. That's important. And I can say router.host/add blog / I can say /add blog. Okay, and afterwards there would be multiple things which I need to check right now here. What are that things? My auth middleware dot, but I just need to verify the token firstly. I just need to verify the token. That's the important part. As you can see in the user controller, in the admin.js, user controller, user.js, and you can see we are having the multiple things here like verify token, authorize role, and all that things. Okay, so what I can see here in the admin.js, I just need to verify the token, and afterwards what I can say that auth middleware, like the same thing which I was having first, auth middleware dot. Right now I just want to authorize the role. Right now the role is admin, because in the previous users, like in the user.js, we just authorize the roles by what? We just authorize the role by user. Right now we are having the role of admin and we need to authorize it. Okay, so afterwards I can say what I can say here. There would be some you can say yeah, there would be some image too which I need to upload. So I can say that afterwards this thing upload dot single, and the main thing is I want to have that name as an image. Okay, and after this thing what I can say here, I just want to go like my admin controller. After this particular route or this particular method, I just want to go admin controller dot what. Right now I'm having the admin login. Just create one API to create the method to actually hit the API. So actually create the blogs. So I can say create blog or whatever you want to say, and I can say that exports dot add blog is equals to what? Async and request comma response, and that's it. Okay, we have prepared each and everything for our blogs. Okay, I'm fine with that. We have prepared each and everything. Okay, but did you see that we are not having the model of that we are not having the model of to handle that basically blogs. Okay, so what I can say here, if I go to models, I'm having only user.js. So I need to create one blog.js. Okay, and let us just open this user.js too, because we need to copy a lot of things from this thing and just paste it, and just change the name of user schema, and I can say blog schema. Okay, the things change automatically, and I just want to have a model of like blog. Okay, so my blog schema is here. Right now I just want to have the title, and the required is actually true, but I don't want to have a unique true title, and actually my description. Okay, my description, and unique should not be true. My image required is actually true, and right now the things which I need to have is not these things basically. No, I just want to have the image but not these things. Okay, and okay, title, description, and image, and afterwards I want to have the likes, how many likes this blog has. Okay, so basically we have not implemented this functionality in the front end and the back end, but we need to implement it. We need to create the API of like how many likes it's having, and how many how many people actually added into a favorite. Okay, favorite blogs. So these are the things which we need to handle right now here. So what I can say here, likes. Okay, I can say likes, and this type is a number, and default is 0. Okay, likes, that's it. And we need to display these likes in our blogs actually, and we will just show these likes. Okay, just what I can say here right now, everything is fine, I think so. Just go to admin controller, or you can say admin controller, and const copy all these things, and you can say here blog, const blog models slash the model which we have created right now, and I can say blog. Okay, everything is working fine according to me. Let us just check, is there any error which terminal shows to us. No error is there. Let us just deep dive into how to build this API. Try and catch. That's the important part of each and every API. Try and catch is important and very much important. I just want to go with the default syntax which it is having, but I don't know why my PC is taking a lot of time to give me the suggestions actually. So what I did, I just want to know what are the things previously I just wrote, because I don't want to write the code again and again. So here it is, response.json. That's the important part. Right now, what I can say here, actually const my title and description. Actually, description is equals to request.body. Okay, request.body, and you can even see that in the blog.js I'm having title and description. The spellings should match with each and everything. Yeah, so it's not request.file. I can say return response dot status of 400, and I can say that the JSON error and image is required. That's the important part. And if not title, or if not description, actually description description actually, and I can say the same thing, copy it, paste it. All fields are required. All fields are required actually. Okay, that's fine, that's totally fine. And afterwards, if these things are actually paused, so what I can say here, that const new blog is equals to await new blog, and I can say title comma description comma image should be my request dot file dot path. Okay, and afterwards await new blog dot save, and afterwards this thing I just want to return return response dot status of 200 stk status of 200 dot json. I can say dot json success true, and afterwards what I just want to add actually a message, what blog ended. Okay, that's it. That is my API, and how I just need to handle this thing right now. I just want to call this this API basically. Actually, this method I just want to call. I'm just saying the API again and again. Admin controller dot add blog. That's it. Everything is right now fine. What I can do, let me just remove the things which are not needed right now. Blog.js, I don't need blogs.js right now. Admin controller is fine because I need it. Page.jsx, login, for this login, everything is now okay. Okay, admin controller is here. Page.jsx, okay, and I just close the admin route.js. Okay, so admin login is here. I just don't need admin login right now. Go to app.jsx, and you can see I'm having the admin dashboard. I'm having the admin dashboard. Here it is, and blogs. Just go here. Okay, I am having this at blogs, and I need to just have all the things here because I have not actually identified these things. So I can say const. What I can say here, const. Let us just have the use state, and it is actually imported. And right now I just want to have its snippet, and I can say, just give me the hints here. I just want to complete these tutorials. Title. Okay, I just want to have a title here. That's fine. I just want to copy this thing. Copy this thing and paste it and paste it. Okay, I just want to have a image, and I can say copy this thing, and I can say here like set image. I can say instead of title, I just want to have the description basically, and same description I just want to go for set description. Okay, use it, and for this image I just want to have null. Okay, I just want to have a null. So what I can say here, actually these are my inputs, and border none, border none, border none. Okay, just remove this border none. There is no use case of this thing, I think so. Oh, actually the things are looking good. So what I can say here, that let me just go to this thing. Let me just go to this thing. Alt and Alt click. Let's go here. Okay. So value, what is the value I want to have? I want to have a value as a title. Okay. Value as a title, and on change is equals to what? I just want to have e inside this as an event, and I can say set title is equals to what? E dot target dot value, and that's it. Okay, for this I just want to go for set description, and that's it. description. Okay, so for this set description, copy it, paste it here, paste it in the title. I just want to have the description, not set description. That's it. Okay, and just have this thing again here, copy, and for this thing, I mean for the input, I just want to set image e dot target dot files 0, and that's it. Okay, if someone will click on the add blog, I just want to handle this thing on submit is equals to what I can say handle add blog. Okay, that's totally fine. Copy this thing. I just want to have a const handle add blog, and I can say e. Afterwards this thing I sync, and first of all let's just talk about e dot prevent default actually, and afterwards I can say I want to have a try and catch block. Let us just have it try and catch. Yes, it's here. I just want to create a form data before sending the things to the backend basically. Const I can say what I can say, const form is equals to new form data. That's it. Okay, const form is equals to new form data. Yeah, everything is working fine. And for this thing I just want to add form dot append what? Title. I can say that my actual title. Okay, copy it, paste it, and the description basically. Description, and I just want to go for this description here. Paste it. I just want to have image here. Copy this image, text it somewhat like here. Let us just hit the API right now. Same things we need to do, but just have this backend link, copy it and paste it somewhat here or wherever you want to. And again, one more thing, I just need to have a use selector, copy it and paste it somewhat like here. There is no need of use dispatch. Use selector is here, and I can say what I can say. Okay, everything is working fine. So yeah, import Axios is important part. Import Axios, copy it and paste it somewhat here. That's fine. And here I want to say await Axios dot post, and again same thing goes like dollar. I can say it as a backend link /API /v1 what / this thing, my add block. Copy it and paste it somewhat like here, and afterwards the same thing. which same thing, I just need to send this form here, and afterwards I can say the same thing like with credentials true. With credentials, that's true. Okay, so I just need to have the response from the backend. Response console.log response. What is the response I'm getting actually? Okay, so what I can say here actually, okay, let us just hit the API. Let us just hit the API and let us see what is going to happen. Like test, and I can say test1. I just want to choose some file. I'm just going to have some random file, something like this. Open it and then head blogs. If I just hit the API, I just want to check what is the error or what are the things I'm going to have at my front end or back end. So everything is working fine, I think so. Let me just refresh this thing and let me just check I got the blog or not. It's taking a lot of time to refresh the things. Yeah, blogs it's here. Blogs is here, and let me just check. I'm having any blog or not? No, I'm not having any blog here. So we are having some error, and let me just see the error. Let me just see the error here. Inspect console. Okay, with the 400 bad because use selector is not defined. Use selector is defined here. Failed to load, the server responded with the status of 400 bad request. Okay, why it is 400 bad request? So 7. No, I just want to go for next up. If I just click on the add blog, okay, slash add blog post API, I just want to see the error actually. So what I can say here, console.log, what is the error I am getting? Content. There is the response actually. Response.data internal server error. There is something an internal server error. And what is this error actually? What is this error? I just need to check what is this error. Go to admin controller, go to add blogs, and let us just have a console.log error. Okay, let us just check what is the error. Okay. I think so. The error is here. New blog. I have not. Okay, that is the error. I am having a spelling mistake here. New blog. That's it. Okay. So I think so. The things should work fine right now. And what it is, okay, everything is fine. Let us just click on add blog again. Yeah, data is here. Now the data is okay. Messages blog added. And let us just check our blog is actually added or not. Let us just refresh it. Till that particular time we can say response.data.message. Okay. I can say here go to add log. First of all, I'm not having any error right now here. Let us just comment it. And I can see here response dot, let us just check it once again, response.data.message. Okay. Response.data.message, and I want to have a toast dot success. Then put toast from here. I just want to have a React Toastify. That's the important part. Import toast from React Toastify. Everything is fine. And what is the thing I was actually wanted to check? Yeah, my blogs. So you can see I'm having my test blog. And I am having my test image. Okay, I'm having my test image. Let me just quickly add the blogs here, which we can use further. So yeah, this description, like I'm just having this description just for now testing, because we are going to improve our text editor in the further video. Okay, in the further videos we are just going to improve our text editor. So please watch that video, because that is the important video, that how we can actually import, or we can actually have the rich text editor to create the blogs. I'm just having this thing for the testing right now. Okay, I'm just having this thing for the testing right now, that I'm able to add the blogs or not. That would be the rich text editor, with the help of which you can just bold the things, italic the things, underline the things, create a paragraphs, create many more things with that particular thing basically. So right now I'm just having the simple blogs. Okay, that rich text editor tutorial will come afterwards, and yeah, that's it. And right now I just want to do one more thing here. What I just want to do, that if the toast success is there now, then I just need to set my title and my set descriptions again to the simple string. Set title simple string, and okay, everything is fine. And set description to copy it and paste it somewhere like here. Okay, that's fine. That's totally fine. And if I'm not able to add the blog, then I think so. Then if I am just having this, then backspace, add blog. Okay, so right now I'm going to have one error. Console axis error is there. The same thing is response.data. Okay, response.data.error. So error dot response.data.error, and I just want to have a toast again with this thing, toast.error. Okay, that's the thing. That is the thing. So what I can say here, if I just go to add blog, if I just click on it, okay, all fields are required. So actually this thing is not particular that much good, because add blog is there, the user is waiting, actually the admin is waiting. What is going on here? That is not a good UI designing. I just want to show you one thing. I'm going to have a finally here. I just want to set my description and whatever the things are there, I just want to set them to null. If the user is, if try block executed, or either my catch block is executed, finally block will execute whatever the block is actually executed. After that, finally block will actually execute. Okay, so with that particular thing, I just want to have one use state here again, use state, just to show you the loading part, but I was not having any previously planned this thing, but I just got the idea to show you the loading part, that how we can actually show the loading. I just want to have a loading false right now, and if the user hit this thing like my this, okay, in that try block, if it just user enter, then I just want to have a set loading true, and I actually know that finally block will execute whatever the condition is. So I can again say set loading false. Okay, that is the important part. But how we can actually handle the things here, that how I can show the loading part, or how I actually can show the loading part. So come here and have someone like this, loading, and or if it is loading, then I just want to show what? Okay, as I want to show add blog. If the loading part is there, I just want to show the div. I can say adding blogs, and have a width of fit. Okay, and one more important thing I just want to have here is just remove this thing over. And one more important thing which we need to have here is like a background view of you can have it of 500 or 400 or for whatever you want to go. Okay, this will actually show me the good UI. So let us just have test1, and I can say test1, choose file, and have it like somewhat like a forgot, and add blog. And you can see adding blogs, it means something is happening. Then user will wait, user will see, and right now you can see if my blog is added, this thing actually happens, notification pop-ups, and the title description just goes out. Okay, That's a major thing. Basically, the thing which actually, one thing which came into my mind is that we are also having the categories. Okay, we are also having the categories, but we do not have any option here to add the category. I mean, to add a blog to a particular category, even though we are not having the models of that particular thing. So we have skipped that thing. Okay, like while creating these videos. So what I can say here, I just need to have one select here. But first of all, let us just create one model. Let us just create one model where let us just have a client something like this. And my models, I just want to have one more thing like category, category, category.js. Okay. So what I can say here that let us just build the model first, like in the blogs.js. I just want to have the category. Okay, I just want to have a category, but how I can say that I want to link this category to my this model? How I can link these things actually? First of all, let us just copy it and category.js commit and paste it somewhat like here. I can say Control F and I can say here not a block schema I want to have a cat schema. I mean to say that my category schema, cat schema, and just move the thing somewhat like this, and I can say cat. Okay, so title of the category, that is the important part, title, and how many blogs I am going to have. That would be what? That would be my array. Blogs is array. Okay, so right now what is the type of that blogs? So I can say that I just want to store actually my object IDs here, actually the object IDs. So I just want to have this thing like my type schema.types.object ID, actually my object ID, and reference actually to which model or which schema this is actually referring. Okay, so that is my, you can say that is my actually the reference that from where I can fetch that blogs. Okay, that is the ID basically. Like it just works like a primary key and unique key. You can say primary key, unique key, and a foreign key. Okay, primary key and foreign key actually. So that's it. That is the part. Basically, it is not the part of no SQL database, but it works somewhat like that. Okay, and that's it. I am having the cat schema right now, and let me just create the routes to hit the category. So I can say category.js, and same thing I can go like I just want to have a router, and I want to have the model too. Let us just have these things, copy category, paste it, and one more thing I just want to have. Let us just where it is category admin.js. Yeah, here it is. Copy this thing again, copy it and paste it somewhat like here. Yeah, that is the thing. And I can say here that router.post. Okay, router.post, and let me just have like add category, and I can say what I can say. I can say here, no, I don't want to say anything here. I want to have admin controller and auth middleware. Before going to here, auth middleware dot verify token, that's fine. Again, auth middleware dot, I just want to know that only the basically admin can actually create the routes, create the categories basically. So let me just have a controller here for what? Category.js, category.js, and that's it. So I can say category controller basically, so that we cannot have some confusions in the further, like in the future. Controller admin category controller.js, everything is working fine. And instead of my this admin controller, right now I just want to add the category controller, category, and let me just copy this thing and paste it somewhat like here, so that I can actually have the category controller things. Let us just have this thing again, like maybe I will be able to work on these things too, like my models, these models actually. So just paste it here, and I also want to have one more model. Copy it and paste it here. I can say my category model, and I just want to have this model from where model slash my this not basically this model slash category. That's it. Okay, and right now I can say exports dot add category add category, and let me just see. Yeah, it is here. Add category, copy, paste it, and async request comma response actually, and that's it. And one more thing, I just want to now have this category controller, and I just want to have that method, my add category. That's totally fine. And go to admin controller. Let me just have a try and catch block here. First of all, try and catch block here. That is the important part of each and everything. Try and catch. Why I'm waiting a lot for my try and catch to execute, I don't know. Just copy it and category, go to here, paste it here. Okay, I'm having this thing like in the catch block. Right now the thing is like I just want to have the const title of my category, actually. And what I can say here, request dot body. That is the important part. And I just want to check that is this category actually exists previously in my database or not. So for that particular thing, what I can say, const check category, await category dot find one with this title actually. Okay, if check cat is there, I just want to say that return response dot status of 400 return status of 400 dot JSON, and I can give the error here, that category already exists. Fine, category already exists. If check category is there, it means that I'm already having that category. So why I can just create one more new category for that. If not, then I just want to have a const new cat is equals to, you can say that the new not something like this new category is equals to not is equals to basically new category, and I want to have the title of that category. Okay, I want to have the title of that category. Await new cat dot save. Okay, new cat dot save. And what I can say here basically that no, not a console. I just want to return a response dot status of 200 dot JSON, and I can say that my success is actually true, and I just want to have a message that category ended. Okay, there is the thing basically. Okay, now we have done a lot of things in this expose.add category, and let me just check this API, but I just don't want to hit from the Thunder client because I just want to have some option of add category here. Okay, I just want to have some option of to add a new category, and I also want to have option to let us just have a category option thing like below this. Okay, below this add category and add blogs. So I can go to add blogs, and one more thing I want to have here, like just below this form, I just want to have one more thing. Okay, let us firstly have the horizontal ray, horizontal line basically h1. I can say that the add new category. So for that thing, I again want to have one form, and here I want to have one input. I just want to have the simple input type is equals to text, yes, obviously, and I can see here that placeholder is equals to, you can say, your new category. Okay, and let me just check what is the UI looking like right now. It is somewhat like this, which is looking very I don't even think so that HR works properly. Let us just remove it for now. And why it is not removing? Yeah, don't do these things right now with me. Margin top of 8 I want to have, and okay, that's looking fine. And why this thing is actually having a white background? I don't want to have the white background. I just want to have a class name is equals to, I can say that background none actually, and border should be there, but outline should be none, padding x of 4, padding y of 2, and then that thing should be actually rounded. And let us just check what it is. Okay, add new category is here, but why my placeholder is there, not a placeholder is there, so that is why I am not getting the placeholder. Okay, so yeah, your new category is here, and rounded it is. I just don't want to have the background gray. I just want to have background like gray of 50, like that is the thing. Yeah, and one more thing I want to have, like class name, margin top of, you can go with the 4 or 6, whatever you want to have. I want to go with the margin top 6, no, margin top 4. Yeah, that's the thing. And I can say here I want to have a button add category. Okay, add category. So what I can see here, class name, margin start of 4, and background of blue, you can say with the 600, padding x 4, padding y 2, rounded, and anything else, yeah, text should be white, and anything else is there which actually there is needed. Okay, so add category is there. So actually it hits the API, but I don't want to, so I just want to have it as a required field. My required field should be this should be my required field. Admin dashboard, let me just hit this again. Yeah, add blog, yeah, add category is there. Yeah, please fill out this field, that's fine. Okay, everything is going fine right now. I just want to have on submit, what I can say, add category handle, copy it, and just go here, like just below this thing, not something like this, but something like this. I can say async and e. Yeah, that's the important part. Let us just copy the things from here, copy it and paste it here. Okay, e.prevent default, but what are the things which I just need to hit is actually this. Copy it, paste it, not only this, but I just want to copy this whole thing. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, everything is working fine. I can say use state. Snippet, set new category. Okay, set new category. That should be right now nothing. And new category, let us just have on change also, because there are a lot of things which we need to do here. And required is okay. I just want to have a value here. What I can say that the new category, that's fine. On change is equals to, I want to have a callback function e dot set new category, set new tag category. Okay, e dot target dot value. That's it. Okay, e dot target dot value. And one more thing which I want to have is okay, everything is working fine. Okay, so after adding a new category, I just want to hit this thing again, set new category, and I can say, yeah, this thing. And let me just hit that category right now. I mean, just hit that API category.js. I can say add category. Where is my API? That actually it is here. I just don't want to give the form here. What I actually want to do is new category here. Copy it, and I can say title, this thing. Okay, title and this thing. Let me just check it works fine or not. Let me just check it works fine or not. So before I need to check, I just want to see what are the things, what are the actual categories which I was wanted to have on my web application. So let us just go here. Let us just check what were the actual APIs which I wanted to have. Sorry, actually categories. This is somewhat like a DSA. So I can say DSA, add category. I just click on the add category, and I think so that there is some error. If I just go to console, uncoded promise, okay, I think so there is some error. Okay. So before sending my this new category, I can say that const title is equals to what? Const title is equals to my this new category. Control V, and I can say I just want to just send this title instead of this thing. I just want to send this title, and let us check this thing again. Okay, it's taking some time to recognize this title. Copy, paste it here once again, and let us just check. Yeah, and let us just check that everything is working fine or not. Add a category. Okay, 404 not found. Add category not found. Okay, we have not added that category actually in the app.js. So I just need to add that category here. Then app.js, where it is, and yeah, here. I just want to add the APIs here because I have not added that API. So no one recognized that API actually. Okay, admin API, and I can say that cat API, not a catty API, it's cat API. So inside the routes, I just want to have again my category, and again I just want to copy this thing. I just want to paste it somewhat like this. Cat API, just copy it and paste it somewhat like here, and let us just check our API once again. If I okay, node mon is started. Let me just check the API again so that we can find the errors. My node mon app is crashed, so something is wrong. Okay, type.schema.types.object ID. Okay, so there is some error here. Let me check. Okay, so let me just change few things here. Like I just want to have a const schema, somewhat like here, and I just want to have this schema, somewhat like this, new schema. Okay, so right now let us just check what is the error we are getting or not. Okay, not one app crashed here, but server started, database connected, so everything is looking fine right now. Let us just hit the API and let us just check what is going on here. If I just click on the add category, again I am having one more error right now. What is this error? Response internal server error. Okay, let me just check the error, what it is actually. So expose.add category. Okay, everything is fine. Just do the same things again like we were having the previous one, like title as a new category within the object, and let us just remove const title is equals to new category from here, like this line I have to remove from here, and I just want to send the object somewhat like this. So everything was fine on the backend. Okay, so right now if I just go here, monster and next.js. Okay, if I just go here, I can say that next JS, I just want to add a category, and you can say my category is added. So I have already added 1 or 2 categories. Let me just add the trending topics here too. Okay, I can say trending topics and add a category. Yeah, my new category is added. So it means that in the in my this thing and the cats, I just want to refresh. I want to check my categories are actually added or not. So let me just refresh the things properly so that we can consider the things further. It's refreshing the things. Okay, so I just want to check the cats. Okay, 4 categories are added: DSA, Monstack, and Next.js, and yeah, trending topics. And you can see I'm having the blogs area here. So that is the important thing. And right now, whatever the blogs we are going to add, we also need to add the blogs into here. Okay, let me just do that thing right now here. Here I want to give the option of choose the category. Okay, here I want to give the option of choose a category. So let me just have this thing somewhat like this, and let me just open this form right now. This form is what? This form is this thing where I am having my input of images. Yeah, here it is. With this input, I just want to have a select. Okay, select, and inside that I need to have multiple whatever the title is there. I'm having name title. So afterwards I can say option, select option. Okay, option value is what? So my values would be like Monstack. I'm just giving the random values. We need to fetch these values from the backend. That is the important part which we need to take care of. I'm having somewhat like this. Okay, but for now I can say that select category. Okay, and you can see here I'm having select category here. But let us just do some styling for these particular things. I can say that a class name is equals to flex. Items should be center, justify should be between, and let us just check. Yeah, it's looking something like this. Okay, it's looking something like this, but I just want to style it more so that it can enhance my visibility. So I can say here class name is equals to, I can say padding x of 4, padding y of 2, and I think so that would be too good. Yeah, it's somewhat like this. And let me just have a rounded thing and something like a shadow. That's it. Yeah, select category. And one more thing, this select category should be fetched. Okay, so let us just create the API to fetch these select categories basically. Okay, so what I can say here, router.host here now. So I just want to have a router.get. Router.get, I can say that get category. Okay, a router.get category, but I don't want to verify the token because I need to use this category get category at the front end also. So I just want to basically I just want to use this get category in my home page too. So that's why I'm not going to have a verified token and all that things here. So I can say a category controller, just copy this thing again, and I can say get categories. That's it. And okay, I can say here await category dot find. That's it. I don't want to have any request or body or whatever the things are there. And I can say that const categories is equals to category dot find. I don't want to have this if condition here too, and even though not even these things here. Okay, so success true. And instead of this message, I just want to just fill these categories. That's it. Okay, let me just hit this API. It's get categories. Let's get categories. Okay, and inside this I just want to hit this category dot get categories, get category. Okay, that's fine. And right now I'm having any error here. That categories, I don't even think so I'm getting any error. Yeah, no, there is no error. I don't know why it is showing the error symbol like this. Yeah, it will be removed further. In the add blogs, I just want to have a use effect so that I can fetch that details. Let me just have an add blog somewhat like this. Yeah, I want to have a use effect here. Use effect. From there, I just want to have a snippet. A page. Yeah, here it is. Remove all the things. Somewhat like this. Have a backend link here. Okay, backend link. Yeah, that's it. And right now what I can do here, just I need to hit the API. Const response is equals to what? Let us have this API again. Copying it. I think so that has not copied properly. Const response. Copy it. Paste it. Instead of this. Paste it. Let me just check one more thing. Yeah, that's the get API. That's fine. Const response and all that things are here. Okay. Let me just do these things further. First of all, have a get category, copy, paste it here, and again Control X. What is going on with my mouse and all that things? I don't know. Control X, const fetch, async, and await. I want to fetch the things, and afterwards I want to fetch this function. I just want to call this function. Okay, that's fine. And there would be some response which I will be getting from here. And afterwards this, I can say console.log. I just want to know the response. Okay, and for that particular thing also I need to have one use state. Use state I just want to have a snippet, and I can say that set actual categories which actually exists. Okay, which actually exists. So I can say, yeah, let me say these things further, but first of all let me just check this console.log response works properly or not. Let me just inspect the thing, console it, and let me just enter it and refresh the things properly. So okay, get category. Okay, am I having the post request? Yes, I'm having the post request. Let me just take it as a get. Yeah, I'm having the data dot this thing. Okay, response dot data. I can say console.log response dot data dot categorize categories. Let me just check this. Same things are there which I have entered. Yes, the same things I have entered. Okay, I have just saved the things, and you can see here again I am able to get the data, title, DSA, month tag, and whatever the things are here. That's the important part. And I can see here set actual categories instead of this thing, set actual categories, and I can say actual categories and whatever the options I want to have. I was just wanted to add my options here, where it was. So here it is. I can say that if actual categories are there, actual categories and actual categories dot map items comma I. That's it. I just want to have this option again. First of all, Control X, have it somewhat like this, and I just want to have the options again here, and you can say, or you can say items dot title. Okay, items dot title. And one more thing, I need to have a key is equals to I, and value should be items dot title. That's it. Okay, that is the main part. Actually, let me just check the things properly, that it actually works properly or not. If I just click on the select category, and you can see I'm having the multiple categories right now. If I just click on dashboard, add blog, and everything is working fine now. Yeah, everything is working fine. That's it. DSA, monstack, Next.js. If I am on the select category, then nothing will happen. Okay, DSA, monstack, everything is working fine. One more use state I need to have here. Use state. For what? Let me just show you the things here. Use state. Use state snippet. I can say that set category ID. Set category ID. Okay, everything is working fine. I don't want to have anything here for now. I can say category ID. I just want to have a set category ID first. Copy it, and you can say here, that where is my actual options. And for this, selecting the category, I just want to actually do one thing. Okay, I just want to do one thing, like on change, I want to do something here. What I want to do here, just don't want to do this thing here, like on options. If I just click on something, on click is equals to, I just want to do something. What I want to set the category ID. I just want to set the category ID. Okay, so where I was actually listing all these things, I want to set the category ID, and I can say that items dot slash ID, and let me just check that this thing works fine or not, or this actually thing works fine or not. And for that particular thing, I just need to check console.log category ID. I just want to check category ID. That's it. Okay, and if I just go here and let me just inspect it properly, let me just check. If I just click on the set category, if I just click on DSA, if I just click on monstack, nothing is happening right now. And I can say, if I just want to enter add blocks again, set category is undefined, DSA, monstack. Okay, so was it dot ID? Let me just check. Categories items dot slash ID. And before setting the category, let me just console.log the items, basically items. Afterwards, I just want that to set the category. Okay, if I just click on the monstack, Next.js, nothing is happening. If I just want to go for the on change event, then what is it going to happen? What is going to happen actually? 10 topics, no, nothing is happening. Okay, let me just do one thing here, that I am having E, and for that particular thing, I just want to set the category for E dot target dot value. Okay, and I can say here as a use state, something like this. If I just go to set category and DSA, nothing is happening because I'm not able to set anything. So where I'm writing all that things, let me just check. Okay. I am setting the things in the option. Okay, but I don't want to have it somewhat like this. I just want to have the things in this. Okay, in the select basically. So that is why I was getting these errors. So let me just check it again. If I just refresh the things properly, and let me just check the things again. DSA, and you can see DSA is here, monstack is here, Next.js is there, and 10 topics is there. That's totally fine. That is totally fine, and that's the important thing actually. And let us just do one thing here again. What? So I just want to have a category ID, and I can say here what I want to say, that while actually submitting, while actually adding the blog, I want to add this thing to here. Form dot append, I want to add the category here, and I just want to add category ID. Okay, I just want to add the category ID here, and the same thing I need to get it right now from where? In the blogs.js, not here in the blogs controller basically. So let me just open the server, and you can say that the category controller, admin controller, add blog. I'm here, add blog, and I can say with this description too, I just want to have this thing too, category, and I can say here that if not the category, all fields are required. Okay, everything is working fine right now, but the main thing comes here. Right now I also need to find the ID. I also need to find that ID. So I can say that const that is equals to require what? dot slash models slash what? I need to have my category here. So for this category, let me just do these things here. Yeah, I'm here right now. Before saving the data, I want to save the category, that of which category this particular blog refers, basically of which category this particular blog is. That is the thing, that was the main part which I actually want to do. So what I can say here, that const existing cat is equals to await cat dot find one, and I can say dot find one, and I can say my this category dot find one, this thing. Okay, understand? I can say that my title should be that particular category. I need to find that particular thing whose title should be that category. That's the important part. And if not existing cat, what I want to see here, return this thing. The category does not exist. Okay, the category does not exist. And if the category exists, it means that existing cat dot, what I can say here, let me just go to models, and you can see here I am having the category dot blogs. Okay, dot blogs basically go here, and after saving this blog right now, existing cat dot blogs dot push what? New blog dot slash ID. Okay, and await existing cat top save. That's it. That's the changes which we need to do in our admin controller for the ad blogs. So let me just check the API that it is working fine or not, because I know there may be a lot of things which I need to take care of, but if it works fine, then I think so that would be a very good thing for us. Okay, title, I just want to choose file here. Let me just choose anything like something like YouTube. Open, set category, I want to go for the DSC. Let me just add the blog, adding blogs. Okay, yeah, blog is added, my blog is added. Let me just check this thing properly right now. If I just refresh these things, I want to know I want to know that in my blogs that in the categories of my DSA, my that blog is added or not, that object ID is added or not. I want to check that thing here. Okay, it's here, and yeah, you can see in the DSA, in the DATs and the DSA, my dat object ID is actually added. Okay, my that thing is actually added. Everything is working fine. And let me just do one thing for the finally here. Make set category ID. This thing. I just need to again empty my this select category after just removing each and everything. Okay, after just adding the things. So my ad blogs is working fine right now.